Good day, everyone. Our lesson for today is all about rational exponents. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your classmates and friends, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Also, you can find different subjects in this YouTube channel. Just select the playlist section, and finally, please do not skip the ads in this video. Thanks, and now let's proceed to our main topic for today, which is all about rational exponents. Rational exponents, it is also called the fractional exponents, the use of rational numbers as exponents. So kapag sinabing rational exponents, it is more on a fraction. Okay? So as the exponent, which is the power term in like as the fraction form, or divided by given number format. It is exponents in the form of b raised to m over n, where both m and n are integers. Example, 2 raised to 1 half, b raised to 1 third, and a raised to 2 fifths are example of rational exponents. 1 half, 1 third, and 3 fifths are rational exponents. To the right a radical using a fractional exponent, the power to which the radicand is raised becomes the numerator and the root becomes the denominator. So let's identify the parts of the radical. So this one is the root, yung 3. Square root, okay, this is the square root sign. Then a squared is the what we call the radicand, yung nasa loob. Where radicand, exponent of the radicand over the root is, okay, where the radicand, okay, is a raised to 2 over 3. In short, parang sinasabi lang dito sa ano na to, yung a raised to 2 third, kung gagawin mo daw siyang um, radical form, ang gagawin lang natin is yung a, isusulat pa rin natin, okay? Yung 2, siya yung magiging exponent ni a. And then, maglalagay tayo ng sign na square root, na root sign, I'm sorry. And then, for the 3, yung denominator, siya yung magiging root. Itong cube root of a squared ay equal sa rational exponent na a raised to 2 third. If you get my point. So, example, square root of a can be written as x raised to 1 half, where the exponent of the radicand is 1 and the root is 2, since it is a square root. Okay, paano siya naging 1 half? Di ba pag square root, ibig sabihin yung index niya is 2. At yung 1, exponent nito is 1. Sabi ko kanina, ang 1 ay ang numerator, ang index, ang denominator. That's why we have x raised to 1 half. Halimbawa dito, so kung gagawin mo siyang rational exponent, so we have x, then 2, yung kanyang numerator over the denominator, which is the index, is equal to 3. So we have x raised to 2 third. Dito naman, fourth root of x cubed, so we have x, yung 3 is the numerator, over 4, which is the index. So we have x raised to 3 fourth. Did you get my point? Okay. Did you know that an exponent of 1 half is actually square root? So sakto yun. Kapag sinabing square root, ganyan lang siya. Ibig sabihin, yung index niya ay 2. Hindi lang natin nilalagay. Okay? Now, for the exponent of 1 third, ang kanyang is cube root, ang kanyang radical form. Okay? So cube yung kanyang index. And for another one, we have 1/4, which means that the index is 4 root. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung number dyan. Basta yung mga denominator, sila yung mga index pagdating sa exponent. Okay, evaluating rational exponents. So we have also examples here for evaluating rational exponents. So we have x raised to 1 over n equals nth root of x. As we read, the nth root of x A fractional exponent like 1 over n means to take that nth root. So x raised to 1 over n is equal to the nth root of x. Now, let's have an example. 1 raised to 1 over 3. Again, etong 1, siya yung exponent ni 1. So, hindi lang natin nilalagay kasi 1 na nga eh. Then, for the 3, the index, which is actually, yeah, the index of the root sign, siya yung denominator. So, what is cube root of 1? That's equal to 1. Here naman, yung index natin is 2. Pero sa root kasi, hindi na natin nilalagay yung 2. Alam na natin, automatic na 2 na yon. Okay? So, hindi na kailan nilalagay. Then, yung numerator is 1. So, 4 raised to 1 is 4. And the square root of 4 is 2. Kaya nga tawag sa kanya yung square root kasi may 2 siya na index. And finally, we have 27 1/3. So, we have cube root of 27. The cube root of 27 is equal to 3. If to check if that's correct, so 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27. You got it? So that's all about the introduction. So we're just in the introduction. We have a separate discussion about evaluating rational exponents in our next video. Okay? So I hope you learned something about the rational or the introduction about the rational exponents. With that, thank you very much for your listening.